Hey, what's poppin', guys? What's up? It's your boy XO, and in this video, guys, I want to show you guys a really simple and very effective way to trade in the forex market. And as you can see, I'm actually trading the US 100, which is the Nasdaq 100. And this is a strategy, a very simple strategy using the 200 EMA line and RSI, if you would add that. So yeah. I was probably looking for the market to get oversold, and obviously, when the market is oversold at this point, there's probably going to be a good amount of buyers. A good amount of sellers trying to sell at this point. All right, so this made a high right here. We'll be using this strategy in combination with the smart money concept, market manipulation and all those good stuff. I'm so sorry, guys, for my voice. I'm having sore throat. All right. So let's get straight to the video. All right, so you plot out the zone where the manipulation took place, which I'm probably point right here. So at this level here, there's a manipulation right at this point. So you can see that the price made the high right here, and the market took out these highs, triggering every buy limit or every buying trade at this point, and slamming it down to the low side, all right. So you can the reason why I'm having my 200 EMA here is because I want to see price above the 200 EMA line if I want to take a sell. All right, because it's most people will say when the price is above the 200 EMA line, the market is in a buying phase. All right, so there's a lot of reason for me to want to buy. I'm sorry, to want to sell at this point. So you can see RSI oversold at this point. People are selling. So people who sold here got taken out at this point, right? And the people who bought here, because this could be a break and retest, or some weird all those basic beginner trading strategy kind of chart patterns and all those good stuff. But as you can see, price took them out and flooded the downside. So the last candle, the last candle, we call it an institutional candlestick. The last candlestick to the upside is what I'm probably going to be looking at to get in on my trade. And my stop loss is probably going to be like the 50% or maybe the full candlestick body. But as a beginner, I would definitely recommend you use the 50% of the candlestick body. But guys, you need to be very careful how you trade this strategy. I mean, very, very, very careful, because you could also get caught on the wrong side of the market. It's just funny, guys. So let's say we took our trade at this point, and stop loss, maybe stop loss the half the size of the institutional candlestick, which is let's say 16 divided by 2 is going to be like 8 pips. So 8 pip will be our stop loss for this trade. And yeah, so 8 pip stop. And like you can see, guys, this is a beautiful 1 to 3 risk to reward trade, 1 to 4 risk to reward trade. So you need to be very careful how you trade this strategy. Like I said, this is the strategy I just came up with, and I've been testing it out, and it's it's been working fairly decently. At least I've been seeing some pretty good results trading the strategy. And yeah, so guys, if you want to trade with me live every single day, then I will be hosting a live trading section very soon. It's free, guys. It's a YouTube live trading section. You don't need to pay any dime for it. It's just me trying to give back to the community. And all I want you guys to do is share this video so that we can get more people watching, and let's grow together, guys. So this is my 100% win strategy. The $10 to $1,000 best FOREX scalping strategy is what I call this strategy. So yeah, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your boy XO, and if you want to if you want me to teach you how to trade, then of course you can go to my Instagram account. It's in the description below, and you can contact me and let's talk, and let me see what I can do for you guys. And if you want me to manage your account, if you want me to manage your trading account, then also DM me on Instagram. But guys, whatever you want me to do, just make sure to go and DM me on my Instagram account, and let's see what's up, and let's see what's popping. All right, guys. So it's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.